Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi, mathematics teacher, grade 6, boys and girls. Topic, chapter number 12, exercise 12.1, comma 12.2. Video number 26. Dear student, in this exercise, we have to find volume and surface area of the following figures. Here in this figure, part number 1, we are given a length that is represented by the edge that is equal to the 4 centimeter. Now here, solution, volume of the cube, it is equal to the length, breadth and height. Product of length, breadth and height. Dear student, first of all, cube is a geometrical figure where values of the length, breadth and height are equal. Now here, values of the length, we are given the 4 centimeter. We will replace the values of L, that is showing the length. It will be equal to the 4 centimeter whole cube. Whole cube means we have to repeat the 4 centimeter 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64 cubic centimeter. This is the value of volume. Now, second option, this is the second part of the question, surface area. Its value is equal to 6 times L square. 6 multiplied by value of L, that is the same 4 centimeter square. 4 centimeter square means 4 fours are 16. Multiplied by 6, it will be equal to 96 centimeter square. Dear students, number 1 question, part number 2, it is also the same. Here values of the edge, it is equal to the 7 centimeter. So dear students, here volume of the cube, it is equal to edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge 3 times. Again the value of the edge, that is equal to 7 centimeter, and it will be equal to the 7 centimeter whole cube. That means that 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter multiplied by 7. And it is exactly equal to the 343 cubic centimeter. And second part of the same question, surface area, that is equal to 6L square. Value of L, that is equal to the 7 centimeter whole square. 7 centimeter whole square, it is equal to the 49, and it will be equal here, it is the multiply. Dear student, here it is the multiply, and 6 multiplied by 49 centimeter, it is exactly equal to the, you will multiply, its answer will be equal to 6 9s are 36, 6 will be here, and 3 here, 6 4s are 24, 24 and 3, it will be equal to 27. And it is equal to the 276 cubic, 76 centimeter square. This is the square. So dear students, here same way, part number 3, value of the one side of 1 means value of the length, that is equal to the edge, and 2.5 centimeter. Here volume of the cube, edge multiplied by edge multiplied by edge, and value of the edge, it is equal to the 2.5 centimeter multiplied by 2.5 centimeter, again multiplied by 2.5 centimeter. When we multiply these 3 values, we will get the 15.625 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of cube. And cube is a geometrical figure having same values of length, breadth and height. Now surface area, that is equal to 6L square. Now here values of the L, we have 2.5 centimeter whole square. 2.5 centimeter whole square, it means that you have to multiply 2.5, 2.5, 2 times. And it whole conclusion, whole result after the multiplication, it will be equal to 37.5 square centimeter. So dear students, now we have the part number 4. By the same way, part number 4, it is also the same pattern that we have done here. Length is equal to the 3.2 centimeter. Volume of the cube, it is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Now in cube, we have the same values of the length, breadth, and height. So it means that length multiply length 3 times. We will place their values 3.2, 3.2, 3.2. After the multiplication, we have got the answer 32.768 cubic centimeters. Now, dear students, here surface area of the cube, that is equal to 6L square. 6 multiplied by value of L, that is equal to 3.2 centimeter whole square. After opening the whole square, we have write it 2 times, and after multiplication, we have got the answer 61.44 square centimeter. So, dear students, in the question number 2, we have to find the here volume of the cuboid and surface area of the cube. Dear students, here we are given length 4 centimeter, breadth 1.5 centimeter, and height is equal to 5 centimeter. And similar way, volume of the cuboid we will write equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Here length 4 centimeter, breadth 1.5 centimeter, and height 5 centimeter. After multiplication, it is exactly equal to the 30 cubic centimeter. The second part of the cuboid. Cuboid has the different values of the length, breadth, and height. But cube has the same values of length, breadth, and height. Here, surface area, it is equal to the 2 times length multiplied breadth plus again bracket started breadth multiplied by height, bracket over plus third bracket start length multiplied by height. We will write the values of L, that is length 4 centimeter, and after that breadth, that is equal to 1.5 centimeter, and again here values of breadth 1.5 centimeter, height 5 centimeter, and after that in a third, that length multiplied by height 4 centimeter multiplied by 5. After the multiplication, we have arrived at this step that multiplication of the first bracket, it is equal to 6 centimeter square, here 20 square centimeter, here 7.5 square centimeter. And after the addition of all these values, we will find the multiplication of this sum with 2, and it is equal to 67 whole square, 67 centimeter square. This is the whole result. Dear students, in the part number 2, by the same way, length is given, breadth is given, height is given, volume of the cuboid, we will place the values, and after multiplication, we have got the 34.2 square centimeter here. This is the value of a cuboid, but this will become the cube, not a square. This will become the cube. Now after that, in the second part, surface area of the cuboid, it is equal to 2 times length multiplied by breadth, breadth multiplied by height, and length multiplied by height. After placing the values, we have got here 3.8 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter multiplied by 4.5 centimeter, 3.8 centimeter multiplied by 4.5 centimeter. After the multiplication and addition, we have got this answer 33 centimeter square centimeter, and it is equal to 67.4 square centimeter. Dear students, this is the third part where we are given the length 75 centimeter, width or breadth it is equal to 50 centimeter, height 1 meter, and we will change meter into the centimeter after multiplication of the 100, and its answer will be equal to the 100 centimeter. Now volume of the cuboid, length multiply breadth multiply height, and here we have got the 75 centimeter, here 50 centimeter, and here 100 centimeter. After multiplication we have got the answer here 37, here 3,75,000. Here we have got the answer. And now surface area of the cuboid. Then first we will write the formula, and after writing the formula we will replace the value of length and breadth, and again here breadth multiply height, and again here length multiply height. We have got here values, and after the multiplication this is the this one, and second this multiplication second, and then we have to add then that we have got the 16,250 square centimeter. After multiplication it is going to be, it is exactly equal to the here 332,500 square centimeter. Now dear students, in fourth part same pattern we are given here, same pattern. Length is equal to the 1.5, breadth equal to the 50 centimeter, height is equal to 0.75 centimeter. Now volume of cuboid, it is equal to the length multiply breadth multiply height. After taking values 1.5 centimeter, 50 centimeter, and 0.75 centimeter, after multiplication its answer is equal to 56.225 cubic centimeter. Dear students, now here we have the second part, surface area of the cuboid. Now surface area of the cuboid, it is equal to 2 times length multiply breadth plus breadth multiply height plus length multiply by breadth. Now after placing the value we have that this result. After multiplication we have got the 175 square centimeter, that is 7.50 square centimeter, and 1.125 square centimeter. And after addition of these all values we will multiply it by the 2, and exactly its answer is equal to the 225.2725 square centimeter. Dear students, in the last this exercise is for you, and you will fill in you have to fill in the blanks here, and all the blanks are given here. Values of A, values of B, values of A from here, it is exactly equal to the slant height. Values of B vertex, and values of height C is representing this value from the B to point this one, and it is showing the here C is showing the height, and D is the base. Here it is given, now it is the base, and F is showing the radius distance from the center to any point. Now this is the part number 4, and in the part number 5 here, part number 5 we have the value of A, that's showing the vertex, and the value of B, it is surface, and C is the edge. Now here part number 1 we are given the value of A. Similarly it is the edge, means length, it is showing here, and B is showing the surface, and C is showing the vertex. Now here from the figure, so number 2 here, it is the just sphere, and what does A represent? Represent A center. B represent the radius, it is from here this point, it is the center distance from center to A. Now after C, here we have the 3 values. A is the curved surface. Now this thing, A is the curved surface, showing the curved surface here, and B is the base, that is showing here. B is the base, and C is the height, and D is the radius. Radius means it will be from the distance from here, distance from this one to any vertex. And C is the curved surface, this whole value just showing this value. This is the curved surface, and after that here, and D is showing the distance from this point to this one, and this is the radius. And B is the base, that is the base, means it is the whole this value from about this whole figure it is showing. So dear students, this is the end of our lecture number 26, and I hope that you will understand. Inshallah, in the coming lecture we will meet. Wish you best of luck.